How much is that?
£2.50.
How much?
£2.50.
What, from Paddington? It's usually about £1.50.
Not after midnight, it isn't.
Well, what's that got to do with it?
After midnight, we can charge what we deem necessary.
You didn't say that when I got in.
You never asked.
I didn't deem it necessary. At the time, I thought you were honest.
Oh, that statement has the implication that you consider me to be dishonest.
In a nutshell, yes.
I see. Now, sir, you were saying?
£2.50.
That's better. That's a fare. Oi, mush. It's a long-standing custom for the passenger to show his appreciation of that extra personal service extended by the driver of the vehicle to offer a modest gratuity.
I do usually, but not after midnight. Right? You stupid, thieving, ugly, great... Right. Nice journey. Drive carefully. Oh, dear. £2 bloody 50 just for the taxi. The train was an hour late, there was no buffet car, it was raining all day in Birmingham, and the man I'd gone to see had forgotten I was coming.
But apart from that, did you have a good day?
Go to sleep.
Darling, isn't it customary for a husband to give his wife a kiss when he comes in?
Not after midnight.
Pardon?
Oh, I'm sorry, love, don't take notice of me. I'm just in a bad mood, that's all.
Oh, that's a pity.
Well?
Nothing. Hurry up, get into bed.
Now, look, June, I'm very tired.
I know, darling, that's why I said hurry up into bed.
Oh, that's all right, then. Huh. How's Aunt Lucy?
Oh, she went to bed early. She didn't feel so good.
Well, nothing trivial, I hope.
Oh, Terry. Come on, hop in, relax, and unwind, and then we'll have a quiet little talk.
Oh, I'm sorry, love. I just can't. I'm too tired to talk tonight.
Oh, well, in that case, it can wait till the morning.
All right.
Good night, darling.
Good night, love.
Sleep well.
Yep. June?
Mm-hmm.
What can wait till the morning?
Oh, nothing. Don't worry about it.
Ah. June?
Mm-hmm.
What is it I'm not supposed to worry about?
I told you it was nothing. It doesn't matter. It was only a little accident.
What was only a little accident?
Oh, darling, don't worry. No one was hurt.
Are we talking about a car?
You're getting warm?
My car, the one I left at home today.
Yes, dear, that's the one.
You borrowed it
Yes.
and drove it.
Yes, you said I could.
Where did this little accident happen?
In the drive.
Don't tell me you forgot to open the garage doors.
Good heavens, darling, what do you take me for?
A lady driver. Come on, let's have the whole story. How much damage?
Well, you remember the back of the car?
Do you mean we don't have one anymore?
Terry, it's not as bad as that. It's only the bumper got bent and the rear light got a bit broken.
That's all.
Yes, apart from the dents.
Dents?
In the side and on the wheel.
That's £50 at least.
No, dear, you're wrong. Chap at the garage said about 80.
Well, just how did it happen?
Well, it wasn't my fault. Now, that's one good thing. I was just parked at the end of the drive, and the next thing I knew, the dust cart went into me.
You mean you weren't moving?
No, was just sitting there waiting for Lucy.
Oh, then you're right. It's not your fault. Oh, that's all right, then. That should be no trouble. We'll get the local council to pay for it.
No, I'm afraid they won't.
What do you mean?
Well, I've already been on to them, and the driver of the dust cart says that I backed into them.
Well, how could you back into them if you weren't moving?
Well, exactly. I mean, it's not right. Still, they were quite nice about it. They said they wouldn't pursue the matter as there wasn't any damage to the dust cart.
What a damn cheat. What about the damage to my car? Who's going to pay for that?
Oh, insurance, I suppose.
Gee, I'm not going to lose my no-claim bonus when it was their fault. We'll sue them.
Oh, darling, it might be better to sleep on it.
But how can I sleep now? No, we'll go and consult a solicitor first thing in the morning. We'll go and see what's-it, thingamy, how's your father and what's-it?
Tibbenham, Peabody and Tibbenham.
Who do we deal with?
Mr. Smith.
Right. That's it then. They're not going to get away with it. That's the trouble these days. Nobody stands up for their rights. Nobody fights authority and officialdom. It's time the little man had his say. Bring back the spirit of St. George. Tomorrow morning we'll mount up and with our sword in hand we'll ride off and fight the dragon on our trusty steed.
There's no need for that, dear. The car still works.
So, you see, I think we've got a very strong case.
Well, now, prima facie, yes. And if what you say is correct, res ipsa loquitur. On the other hand, the defendant, id est the counsel, would instruct their counsel to settle a defence and counterclaim.
Yeah.
However, if your wife comes up to proof and her evidence is not seriously challenged ipso facto, you should succeed. A fortiori, if she's supported by an independent witness. I will just say this. I really cannot see how... I can't see how they could plead volens non fit injuria. It's as simple as that.
Yeah. I suppose we couldn't have a word with Mr. Tibbenham.
I'm afraid not.
Or Mr. Tibbenham.
He's no longer with us.
Peabody?
In conference.
What about Mr. Tibbenham?
He's on holiday.
I think we ought to get an interpreter.
May I say something?
Of course, Mrs. Fletcher.
I don't think my husband or I have quite understood what you're saying.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I'd made it quite clear. Mr. Tibbenham is on holiday.
We know all about Freeman, Hardy and Willis. It's the bit before that.
Ah, you mean my considered opinion?
Yes. Yeah. Could we have that again without the vol-au-vents and the Ipswich factors? Let me get to the point. You see, what I want is justice. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, tit for tat.
A quid pro quo.
80 quid pro quo.
It's a relatively small amount for which to be engaging in litigation.
Oh, blimey, he's off again.
I'd forget the whole thing.
Yes, I'm inclined to agree.
No, June. When I start something, I finish it. There is a principle at stake here. A principle that is dear to the hearts of every freedom-loving Englishman. In a democracy like ours, it is the right of every individual to be heard, to fight for what he knows is right. No matter what the size of the opponent, for every giant there is a giant killer. Think of David and Goliath, Samson and the Philistines, Jack and the Beanstalk. Throughout our history, good has triumphed over evil. Law was made by the people for the people. Let justice be done.
Dear me, we are impassioned, aren't we? Quite an eloquent summing up, Mr. Fletcher.
Thank you.
It seems to me your husband has no need of counsel. He could conduct the case himself.
Thank heavens you can't do that.
Oh, but you can. That's quite in order. However, I don't suggest...
Hang on, what was that you just said?
Nothing, dear. Shouldn't we be going?
You mean to say I could go into court and be a barrister?
Hardly, Mr. Fletcher. That takes years of study. But it's quite permissible for the layman to conduct his own case.
Really? June?
No, Terry.
Yes, June, I could. I know I could.
You don't know the first thing about it.
I'll soon learn. I'll take a crash course.
One crash is enough, dear.
Oh, I can see it all now. The court is crowded. There's a breathless hush as I stand up to sum up. The accuser's already been wounded by the rapier thrust of my skillful cross-examination, and I move in for the kill. And after clever, cunning speech that will go down in the annals of legal history, I demand the only verdict possible.
Guilty but insane? Here we are. Brought you a cup of coffee.
Thank you.
Haven't you finished it yet?
Hang on. Can't say I haven't done my homework. Look at that.
What is it?
It's my opening speech.
Wouldn't it be simpler if I just gave you the £80? You could stop it week by week out of my housekeeping.
Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
You know, I never wanted to go along with this in the first place.
I keep telling you it is the principle of the thing.
Well, I'm fed up with your principles. Do you realise what you're doing to us, Lucy and me? We'll be nervous enough in court being cross-examined by a proper barrister without having to listen to you making a travesty of British justice.
Don't be silly. Of course I won't. Good heavens, I've learnt a lot in the past few weeks about the law. Oh, it's come a long way since the early custom of shoving you in the stocks and pelting you with rotten vegetables.
Yeah, well, let's hope they don't bring it back on Tuesday the 14th.
Is this my coffee?
No, that's Lucy's. Will you wake her up?
Oh, Lucy, wake up. Come on, Lucy. Come on, love. Come on.
I was looking out of my bedroom window when I saw the coffee.
Not now, dear. Not now. There's your coffee.
See? Poor Lucy, it's preying on her mind.
Ah, she's got vital evidence, haven't you, dear?
Yes, dear. I do hope I don't let you down. There's so much to remember. Now, what's that bit about the driver's offside and June's backside?
Near side. She's my key witness, near side.
Oh, dear. Yes, I'll remember.
Yeah, oh, by the way, when did the dustman call?
Thursdays, why?
Oh, stay indoors and keep out of sight. I don't want my witnesses got it.
Terry, you've been watching too many American TV films.
Yeah, and what always happens, eh? Someone whose testimony is vital to the case suddenly gets bumped off.
Oh. Hey, you don't think the Gunnersbury Hygiene Syndicate is going to tip us in the crusher?
Oh, let's get on. There's so much to do. I can't think why they call it a brief.
What are you going to wear, dear? We must clash.
Oh, well, I thought...
Please, I must have silence in court. I'm trying to practice my legal expertise.
Oh, not again, dear. I'm sick of being the judge.
Don't bother. I'll use Gungadin. He looks more like a beak anyway. And so, my lad, my modus operandi pro tem in this cause célèbre is to establish the status quo.
Ew.
Shut up. We have heard the pros and cons, the sine qua non of such a case, but the true facts in veritas have yet to be proved. So I put it to you that per se, the whole case is something of a non sequitur. Semper fidelis, adesti fidelis, and per ardua ad astra. Rubbish. Don't you start. Come on. I'm going to have a drink.
Hello. I think he's been called to the bar.
Good morning.
Doesn't that man look like Terry?
It is Terry. Oh, Lucy, what's he doing dressed up like that?
Morning.
Shh.
The court will rise.
This court is now in session in the case of Fletcher versus Gunnersbury Council.
Who appears for the defendant?
I do, Your Honour.
Ah, Mr. Robinson, good morning.
Good morning.
And who appears for the plaintiff?
I don't mean that.
No. You address me as Your Honour. Your Honour. Your Honour.
Oh, how very kind. Thank you, Milan.
No. You address me as Your Honour.
I see.
I take it you are practicing.
Oh, no, this is it. This is the real thing.
I don't think I know you, do I? In whose chambers are you?
My own, you know, the Laurels, First Cross Avenue, Ealing.
Is this man a barrister? Who are you?
I'm the plaintiff, Your Honour. Fletcher, I'm appearing for myself.
And might I ask what you're doing in those robes?
Well, I thought it was correct dress, you know, when in Rome.
Where did you obtain them?
Bernard Gold and Sons. Theatrical costumes.
This is not a charade, Mr. Fletcher, and I must point out that it is an offence to impersonate a member of the legal profession.
Sorry, Your Honour.
Kindly remove them at once. And kindly remove that wig.
Hang on, it's pinned up a bit. Suppose you have the same trouble yourself.
Thank you. And now, when you're quite ready, I should like you to open your case.
Sir, just a few papers. And, packet of soap pastels, that's all. Hang on.
No. Present your evidence.
Oh, yes, sir. Your Honour! My learned friend, clerk of the court, usher, ladies and gentlemen. I have here a piece of paper on which I've written a few simple words. What are they, you ask? Good question, I will tell you. To repair a motor vehicle, as per estimate, parts and labour, total £81.50. And what it should have read, Your Honour, is to wilful damage, negligence and extortion of an innocent victim.
I object, Your Honor.
Shut up.
Mr. Fletcher, please. Counsel is quite in order to object. You must not make accusations of such a defamatory nature.
Fussy, are they? Let me draw your attention to some very pertinent precedents. And one case that springs to mind is that of the Lady Amelia Fitzwarren versus the Crown. You may recall, Your Honour.
No, I don't think so. When was this?
1668.
A little before my time.
Oh, pity. What about 1783? Surely
Please, Mr. Fletcher, please. I must advise you not to pursue this line of reasoning.
But, I mean, what about all this research? I mean, all this work?
With due respect, Your Honor, may I suggest that my not-so-learned friend gives it to the dustman?
Silence in court!
That is for me to say, Mr. Fletcher.
You wait, mate.
Please confine yourself to the facts.
Yes, I shall. Now, Your Honour, I should like to call my first witness, Mrs. June Fletcher.
Call Mrs. Fletcher.
Good luck, dear.
I swear that the evidence I shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Are you Mrs. June Fletcher, housewife of the Laurels, Farescroft Avenue, Ealing?
Yes, dear.
Yes, it's quite sufficient.
Now then, Mrs. Fletcher, kindly tell the court how, on the morning of the accident, you were stationary in the car when that idiot banged into you. What, again?
Quite right, Mr. Robinson. You must not lead the witness. Now, ask the question again.
All right, then. I'll put it another way. Mrs. Fletcher, who was the twit who clobbered you?
Your Honor, I object.
You're being very objectionable this morning.
Your questions must not contain these derogatory inferences. Now, madam, will you please tell us what happened?
Yes. Well, on the 6th of July, I was getting the car out to take my aunt to the shops, but she wasn't quite ready, so I stopped to wait for her. And while I was parked at the end of the drive, I suddenly felt a bump and realized that the dust cart had gone into me.
And were you stationary?
Yes.
I did. And then what happened?
Well, I got out of the car, and so did the dustman, and he said something to me.
Will you tell the court precisely what he said?
Leaving out the swear words?
Yes.
Nothing.
I see. And what was your reply?
I said it wasn't my fault.
Of course it wasn't, Your Honour. Here stands a woman of the utmost integrity.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Please, Mrs. Fletcher, remember this is a court of law. And kindly keep your terms of endearment until we are in camera.
Oh, yes, very, very good. Go on.
Thank you, Your Honour. Just one last question. At the time, were you aware that the vehicle was in the vicinity?
Oh, yes, I could hear that machine thing grinding.
But you didn't know at the time that you were in for a bump and a grind.
Are you finished?
Yes, Your Honour?
Oh, that's a relief. Your witness, Mr. Robinson.
Thank you, Your Honor. You know, Mrs. Fletcher, I have great admiration for the housewife, the unsung heroine of everyday life. Quietly and efficiently, she goes about her appointed tasks, shopping, cooking, cleaning, devoting her life to her family. So much to do, eh, Mrs. Fletcher?
Yes, it is a full-time job.
Of course it is. A million things to think of. So much going on in that pretty head of yours. Eh?
Objection, Your Honour!
On what grounds, Mr. Fletcher?
Too smarmy by half. He's obviously...
Don't sit down.
Ooh, very chancery lane, I must say.
I put it to you, Mrs. Fletcher, that when you were backing into the road, your mind was on other things. In fact, I suggest that you suffered a momentary lapse of concentration.
Oh, no, that's not true. My aunt called out from the window to say she wasn't ready.
Ah, then I suggest that your attention was diverted, Mrs. Fletcher, and furthermore, I suggest that you were looking up at the window and not at the road behind you.
Well, yes,
That's all, thank you. No more questions.
Anything further to say, Mr. Fletcher?
Yes, Your Honour. My suggestive friend here has missed out one vital point. At the moment of impact, your handbrake was on, I believe.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Thank you. Need I say more?
You may step down now, Mrs. Fletcher.
Thank you.
Any more witnesses, Mr. Fletcher?
Yes, I should like to call Mrs. Lucy Villiers.
Mrs. Lucy Villiers.
Oh, dear.
Have I the court's permission to assist this very dear old lady to the stand?
It's all right, dear. I can manage.
Right, I'm only acting. She insisted on doing it without her sticks today.
Dear me.
In you go, in you go. Take it easy. I've got one life.
I swear that the evidence I shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Your witness.
Are you, Mrs. Lucy? Are you, Mrs. Lucy Villiers, widow of the late Captain Percival Villiers, formerly with the Rajput Regiment in India and latterly tea taster for PG Punjab tips?
Oh, dear Percy.
Very sad, Your Honour. He died during his coffee break.
Is this relative?
Only by marriage, Your Honour. She's the wife's mother's sister.
Oh, never mind. Proceed.
Now, Mrs. Villiers, will you tell the court in your own words what happened on the morning of July the 6th?
Good gracious, that's a long time ago. I don't think I can remember.
That was the morning of the accident.
Was it?
Yes.
Oh, yes, yes, of course. I remember quite distinctly. I was looking out of my bedroom window when I saw the corporation dust cart. And I saw the corporation dust cart.
Go on, go on.
I was looking out of my dust cart.
Out of the window.
Oh, yes. When I saw the corporation bedroom. That's not right. Might I have another run at it, Your Honour?
By all means. I think you better start again.
Ooh. I swear the evidence I
No, Mrs. Villiers. That won't be necessary. You're still under oath.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
It's my pleasure.
Isn't he nice, Ted?
Yes, I tell you this, you don't get flustered. We're all on your side. Well, he isn't, but the more enlightened of us are.
What about the judge?
We don't know about him yet. Now, off you go, then.
Oh, it's all over then.
No. Let's stay where you are. Now, tell us your whole story.
Well, I was looking out of my bedroom window, and I know that's right, because I'd just given Gunga Din a biscuit. And I wanted to tell June that I wouldn't
Just
be
a moment,
lost.
please, Mrs. Villiers. Is this Gunga Din going to be called as a witness?
Hardly, Your Honour. He's my bird.
And he couldn't give evidence, Your Honour, because he's a minor.
Most amusing, most amusing. Go on.
Well, that was why I was looking out of my bedroom window. And when I saw the desperation corp cart, I mean...
Could we adjourn for a few moments?
I'm afraid not.
Thank you, Your Honour, because by now I think it's quite clear that there's very strong evidence of collusion.
Ah, that's right. Thank you, young man. The dust cart was in collusion with the car. This is the bit that's been throwing me. And the outside rear side went into the inside offside and ended upside down side.
You can have your witness.
I can see very little point, Your Honour, in cross-examining this witness. She's incapable, incoherent, and totally unreliable.
I'm afraid at my age it's too great an ordeal.
Yes, my dear. Mr. Robinson, I find your remark somewhat offensive. We of this profession should learn that the law must temper justice with compassion.
I humbly apologize, Your Honor.
Mr. Fletcher, would you care to assist Mrs. Villiers to her seat?
Sir. Come along. Easy now. Come along. Mind your pins. That's it. Come on. That's all right. Dear. That's all right. And don't cry.
Shh, I'm acting too.
And I reported it to my superiors.
Thank you, Mr. Grubb. As the driver of the dust cart, I think your lucid testimony has clarified the situation. No more questions. Your witness.
Now, Mr. Grubby.
The name's Grubb.
I'm sorry, Grubb. As one whose appointed task is the collection and disposal of litter, may I say that you've just given us the biggest load of rubbish I've ever had? Now, tell me, Mr. Grubb, how long have you been driving?
21 years
I
in
haven't
July.
finished the question. How long have you been driving into other people's cars?
I object, Your Honor.
Disregard that question, Mr. Grubb.
Don't skin off my nose. Mr. Grubb, are you happy in your work?
Happy? Oh, yes. I'm ruddy delirious. I mean, it's a bundle of laughs, isn't it, hey? Out in all weathers, humping dustbins about, tipping out potato peelings, tin cans, broken bottles, all the muck of humanity. I tell you, mate, getting rid of rubbish is an empty life. And the monotony, day in, day out, all the stinking rubbish. And at the end of the day, when you get home, what happens? The wife knows you're coming before you get to the front gate. And the noise, the throbbing of the engines, and the sound of the crusher reverberating in your ears, and Fred and Charlie banging on the side, move it up, Sid, it's enough to drive you up the wall.
Or into other people's cars, Your Honour.
And all you can do is sit in the cabin in the sweat and the stench and daydream. 8 score draws and it'd be off. The azure blue waters of the Mediterranean, the sun-kissed beaches, the gay umbrellas and the clink of ice in your martini. Then bang goes your dreams, crash goes your hopes, and you're down to earth with a bump.
Yes, precisely. That was how it was. Bang, crash, bump, wasn't it, Mr. Grubb?
Eh?
You didn't see the car.
Of course I did. It was parked behind me.
Stationary, not moving. You reverse without thinking.
Well, I suppose I might have done. Mind you, I'm not saying...
But you have said. You have said. No more questions. The ball is in your court, Your Honour.
Thank you, Mr. Fletcher. Mr. Robinson, in view of the admission from this witness, have I any alternative but to fine for the plaintiff?
No, Your Honor.
Very well, then. Damages have been agreed. Judgment for the plaintiff for £81.50. Have you incurred any expenses, Mr. Fletcher?
Well, how very kind of you. Yes, it did cost me a bit to hire the wig and the gown.
I'm afraid that's a mistake you'll have to pay for yourself.
Well, should we just settle for a refill for the ballpoint pen and a packet of throat pastels? Naturally. I did spend quite a bit on writing paper.
Ah, yes. Yes. And you don't have to prove that was stationary as well, eh?
I like it, I like it.
So we say £5 costs?
Thank you very much, Your Honour. Sorry, son, you can't win them all.
The court will rise.
Oh, are you off then? No time for a... Is that a yes?
Oh, dear, there's no justice.
Let's go and celebrate my victory.
Yes, well done, darling.
Thank you.
But I'll never know how you got away with it.
Simple, love. All it takes is skill, judgment, and knowing exactly what you're doing.